Garmin Approach S20 GPS Golf Watch with Step Tracking Review 2019. AUTOSHOT Round Analyzer measures shot distances with auto recording for post-round analysis on your Garmin Connect account. Stylish comfort, fully hinged, sleek watch band design with comfortable fit. Display resolution 128x128 pixels. TRUSWING compatible. When paired, Garmin TruSwing Golf Swing sensor provides metrics to improve your swing consistency. Display size 0.9x 0.9 inches. Activity tracking reminds you to stay active on or off the course with move bar alerts. Displays steps, calories burned, distance and time of day, plus it monitors hours of sleep. Stat tracking, enhanced stats keeps track of fairways hit, greens in regulation and putts per round.Strap material silicone. Sunlight-readable, high resolution, monochrome. Connectivity Bluetooth Smart and ANT+. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.